Hi everyone, and welcome back to educator.com. I'm Dan Fullerton, and in this mini lesson we're going to go through page 1 of the A+ Physics worksheet on diffraction, just looking at a quick qualitative or conceptual understanding of diffraction. So let's dive right in. Question number 1. A wave of constant wavelength diffracts as it passes through an opening in a barrier. As the size of the opening is increased, the diffraction effects here are going to decrease. Number 2. The diagram below shows a series of wave fronts approaching an opening in a barrier. Point P is located on the opposite side of the barrier. The wave fronts reach point P as a result of, well, the only way they can get there is by bending around the opening, and that's what we call diffraction. Number 3. Which wave phenomenon makes it possible for a player to hear the sound from a referee's whistle in an open field even when standing behind the referee? Well, of course, the answer there also is refraction. Sound is bending around the referee. Number 4. A wave is diffracted as it passes through an opening in a barrier. The amount of diffraction that the wave undergoes depends on both the amplitude and frequency. Nope, not amplitude and frequency. Wavelength and speed of the incident wave. No. 3. Wavelength of the incident wave and the size of the opening. Now we're talking. There's our answer. An amplitude of the wave and size of the opening? Nope, it's wavelength of the incident wave and the size of the opening. Correct answer there, number 3. Number 5. The diagram below shows a plane wave passing through a small opening in a barrier. On the diagram, sketch 4 wave fronts after they have passed through the barrier. Well, the wave fronts are going to bend as they go through that barrier, so we're going to get something that looks probably kind of like that. And one way to remember that is if the wave's traveling to the right, you almost get that shape of a D for diffraction. All right, last one. Which diagram best represents the shape and direction of a series of wave fronts after they have passed through a small opening in a barrier? Well, we basically just did this one. That must be answer 4. So, just a qualitative look at diffraction is a first pass check to see if you've got the basics down. If this didn't go well, a great chance to go review the diffraction lesson. If it did go well, you're probably ready to move on to the harder AP level questions. Thanks so much for your time and make it a great day, everyone.